Hi parents, please consider giving us a like and a subscribe to this channel. And also we've got a ton more lessons at mymusicworkshop.com. Hope to see you there. Hey friends, great to be back with you. I'm Mr. Elias. Welcome back to My Music Workshop. I'm so excited. We're going to learn more about the drums today.
Yes!
Before we start learning to play the drum set, I want to teach you what a drummer's job is in music. Now, it doesn't really matter what kind of music it is, the drummer has a really important job. All right. One of the first and main jobs that a drummer has in music is to keep a steady tempo. Now, if you remember, tempo means speed. So a drummer has to start the music at the right speed, and they have to keep playing the right speed. They can't slow down or speed up during the song or during the music. Do you want to hear a drummer play a steady tempo?
Yes!
All right, check this out. Great, right? That was a drummer playing a steady tempo along with the music. The drums didn't slow down or speed up. But listen to this one. Maybe this one isn't so steady, but take a listen for yourself. Is this a steady tempo? I don't think that was a steady tempo. The drummer slowed down and sped up and didn't stay with the music, and you can see how that didn't sound too good, right? So the drummer has to keep a steady tempo and keep the music together. All right, the next job a drummer has is to play a beat that fits with the music. Now, a beat is a pattern that repeats. And in music, there are lots of patterns. There are patterns everywhere, but listen to this pattern that the drummer plays. This is a drum beat. What did you think? Did you like that drum beat?
Yes!
If you listen close, you could hear that it was bass, snare, bass, bass, snare, and that was a pattern that repeated. All right, drummers also play drum fills, and a drum fill is when a drummer plays something different than the beat. Now, the drummer can go back to the same drum beat after a fill, or change to a different drum beat after the fill. Let's listen to a drummer play a fill and then go back to the same beat. Here it is. All right, that was cool, right? The drummer played a drum fill and went back to the same beat. Now let's listen to the drummer play a drum fill and go into a different beat. You'll hear this happen when there's a new part of a song that comes after the drum fill. Here it is. All right, that was pretty cool, right? We heard the drummer play a drum fill and then a new beat after the fill. Okay, another important job the drummer has is to play along with the bass player. Now, the bass player and the drummer together are called the rhythm section, and the rhythm section plays very similar parts in songs a lot of times, okay? So listen to this pattern on the bass guitar. Ooh, I like that bass guitar part. Now let's hear the drummer come in and play along to that part on the bass. See if you can hear them play together. All right, here it is. Could you hear the drummer and bass player play together? They were locked in, and when the drummer and bass player play really close together, we call that playing tight. Okay, another job that the drummer has is to be able to play quiet or loud, and we call that dynamics in music. A drummer's got to play with dynamics. So if the music is quiet or soft sounding, the drummer's got to be able to play a soft or quiet part to go along with it. Check out this soft music and listen to the drummer play soft to the music. Okay, could you hear the drummer play quiet along with the quiet music?
Yes!
Now let's hear some loud music, and let's hear the drummer play loud along with the loud music. Here it is. That was rockin', right? It was pretty loud. So the drummer played loud to the loud music and quiet to the quiet music. And a drummer has to be able to do that, to play with dynamics. All right, last thing. The drummer has to pick the right part for the music and not play too much. The drum should complement the music or fit in perfectly. Now I want you to hear this part. Does this drum part fit with the music? Now, I thought so. I thought the music and the drums worked really well together.
Yeah!
But what would happen if the drummer played a part that was maybe a little too much? Let's listen. All right, friends, we heard two different drum parts to the same music, and I thought one fit really well, and the other one, maybe it was just too much drums. All right, so a drummer has to pick the right and play the right pattern to the music. Great job today. We learned a ton about what a drummer does. If you want to learn to play drums with us at My Music Workshop, check out mymusicworkshop.com, and I hope to see you there.